Everybody was stunned to learn that the people at
Donald Trump has asked a Georgia judge to throw out the election fraud case against him, arguing that he is protected by presidential immunity. Mr. Trump is one of 19 individuals accused with plotting to rig the state's 2020 election results. However, according to his attorneys, no president ever faced criminal prosecution for acts committed while in office should the judge grant the claim. The president's immunity would be further expanded. In the filing on Monday, Mr. Trump's attorney stated, "No president ever faced criminal prosecution for acts committed while in office from 1789 to 2023. That unbroken historic tradition of presidential immunity is rooted in the separation of powers and the text of the Constitution. Arguments about the same presidential immunity claims will be heard in a federal appeals court in Washington, D.C. on Tuesday. Mr. Trump is attempting to have a different lawsuit involving election meddling dismissed, which was filed by special counsel Jack Smith. It is anticipated that Mr. Trump will appear at the panel hearing with 3 judges. The former president has used presidential immunity as a means of avoiding prosecution in both civil and criminal proceedings. However, U.S. District Court Judge Tonya Chutkan dismissed the defense in December, stating that the president does not confer a lifelong get-out-of-jail-free pass on former office holders. Trump's lawyers also argued the Georgia criminal case should be tossed out on grounds of double jeopardy, that he was already tried and acquitted on similar charges in the U.S. Senate following the Capitol riot in 2021. Finally, in a separate motion, Trump's lawyers argued that the case violates his due process and First Amendment rights. President Trump did not have fair warning that his alleged conduct, pure political speech and expressive conduct challenging an election, could be criminalized. The filings say Georgia's Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis brought the charges against Mr. Trump and 18 others last year in a 41-count indictment for alleged attempts to overturn his 2020 election loss in the state.